Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Channel. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you want to change your life in 2026, but you feel confused, tired, or stuck?
If that's you, wow, you're not alone. And here's the good news. You don't need to change everything. You don't need to be perfect. You only need one small step at a time.
In this video, we'll share 6 simple tips that can truly change your life in 2026, slowly, naturally, and realistically.
Before we start, subscribe to Everyday English channel if you want more videos that help you grow, not just in English, but in life.
Tip number 1, change your mindset. Everything starts with your mindset, the way you think about yourself and your life.
If your inner voice keeps saying, I'm not good enough, or I can't do this, guess what? Your life will feel heavy.
Here's a simple shift. Instead of saying, I can't, say, I'm learning. Small words, big power.
Mistakes don't mean failure, they mean you are trying. A healthy mindset says, I can improve, step by step. And once your mindset changes, your actions start to change too.
Tips number 2, build better daily habits. Big life changes don't come from big plans. They come from small habits you do every day.
Morning habits matter. You don't need to wake up super early, even 10-15 minutes can help. Try not to check your phone first thing.
Stretch, drink water, breathe slowly. Simple habits calm your mind and give you control.
And evening habits matter too. Before sleeping, slow down. Ask yourself, what went well today? What can I do better tomorrow?
Remember, consistency is more important than motivation. And habits become even stronger when you learn something useful.
Tip number 3, learn one useful skill. In 2026, don't learn everything. Learn one useful skill.
One skill builds confidence. One skill can open new doors. Skills stay with you. Luck doesn't.
It could be communication, digital skills, time management, problem solving. Choose one that helps your real life.
Practice a little every day. 10 minutes is enough. And yes, mistakes are part of learning.
But skills only grow well in a healthy body and mind.
Tip number 4, take care of your body and mind. Your health is the base of every change.
Sleep well, eat regularly, drink water, move your body, even gently.
And mental health matters too. Rest is not laziness. Rest is necessary. Stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone has a different path and speed. Now let's look at something many people forget, your environment.
Tip number 5, change your environment. Your environment shapes your behavior more than willpower.
A messy space creates a messy mind. You don't need perfection, just clean and simple.
Your phone is part of your environment too. Too much social media steals focus and energy.
And the people and content you listen to, their words slowly become your thoughts. With the right environment, action becomes easier.
Tip number 6, take action and stay consistent. Ideas don't change lives. Action does.
Start small. 5 minutes, one habit. Start today, not perfectly.
Don't wait for the perfect time. It doesn't exist.
Some days are hard, and that's okay. A small action on a hard day still counts.
Track your progress. Be patient. Trust the process.
In 2026, your life can change if you choose small steps every day.
If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English channel.
Remember, you don't need to change your whole life today. Just take one step.
And we'll see you in the next video.